What actually happens inside your body after drinking soda? That cold fizzy drink may seem harmless, but within minutes, your body starts reacting in ways most people never think about. From sugar overload and energy crash to effects on your teeth, stomach, brain, and even hydration levels. Soda can impact your body from head to toe. And the scary part? Millions of people drink it every single day. So before your next sip, watch this video carefully. The first sip. The moment soda touches your tongue, your brain instantly detects sweetness. Most sodas contain massive amounts of added sugar. In fact, one bottle may contain more sugar than your body actually needs in an entire day. Your brain responds by releasing dopamine, the chemical linked to pleasure and reward. That's one reason soda can feel so satisfying and why many people crave it again and again. But while your brain enjoys it, your body now has to handle a sudden sugar flood. Within about 10 minutes, your blood sugar level begins rising rapidly. Your pancreas quickly releases insulin to push sugar out of the bloodstream and into your cells. At first, this can make you feel energized or more alert, but this quick spike is often followed by a crash. That's why many people feel tired, hungry, or low energy shortly after drinking soda. And because your energy drops suddenly, your body may start craving even more sugar. This cycle can repeat again and again. One of the biggest problems with soda is that liquid calories don't make you feel full. If you eat a large meal, your stomach sends fullness signals to your brain. But soda doesn't satisfy hunger the same way solid food does. So you can easily consume hundreds of extra calories without realizing it. Over time, frequent sugary drinks may contribute to belly fat, weight gain, increased cravings, unhealthy eating habits, especially when combined with fast food and low physical activity. Now let's talk about your teeth. Soda contains acid, and that acid slowly weakens the protective enamel on your teeth. At the same time, bacteria in your mouth feed on sugar and produce even more acid. This combination can increase the risk of cavities, tooth sensitivity, enamel erosion, and dark sodas may also stain teeth over time. Even sugar-free sodas can still be acidic enough to affect dental health. Many sodas also contain caffeine. Caffeine can temporarily increase alertness and focus, but too much may affect your sleep and stress levels. Some people become dependent on caffeine and sugar together. So when they don't drink soda, they may feel headaches, irritability, low energy, poor focus, and poor sleep combined with excess. Sugar may negatively affect mood and mental performance over time.